This 1996 Pontiac Firebird is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Trans Am WS6 optional equipment, RAM air performance and amp handling package $2,995, RAM air induction system, functional air scoop, 5-spoke 17 and quad, aluminum wheels, dual oval exhaust system, specific tune, suspension, locking hatch, roof, removable, $970, leather seating area, $829, articulating custom seats with lumbar support, rear deck spoiler, $395, radio with compact disc player and 10-speaker sound system, $215, remote keyless entry, $135, steering wheel radio controls, $125, automatic power antenna, $85, standard Firebird Trans Am option, 5.7 L V8 engine, 6-speed manual, Trans Am Signalero apparent package, body color, side molding, still sport mirrors, air conditioning controlled cycle wipers, power windows, power door locks, rear window defogger, press seat control, black exterior, graphite leather interior. Vehicle comes with original window sticker, floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.